If you're experiencing joint and muscle pain, limited range of motion, reduced flexibility, or digestive issues, myopractic care may be exactly what you need. Any restriction, be it joints and muscles, nerves, arteries, and even restrictions among your organs, can cause pain, dysfunction, or both. But pain or dysfunction are not the enemy. Lack of mobility is the enemy. Headaches, for instance, can have a variety of causes, but oftentimes it's as simple as tension through the neck and shoulders. Low back pain can largely be due to a restriction in your hip. In fact, the hip really serves as a foundation for the whole body, above and below it. If your hip is off, everything is affected. The way you walk, the support your spine gets, everything. This is why each myopractic session begins by first getting the hip balanced and moving, followed by a full body evaluation and treatment. So if you come in with shoulder pain, I'm still going to check the back, the hip, the knees, etc. If I just work with your shoulder, we might miss that there's a restriction in the knee that's suddenly making your walk funny, displacing the hip and spine, which is causing the ribs to restrict the shoulders. The full body focus on improving mobility is the key reason why myopractic care tends to get better, longer lasting results. If you're wondering if myopractic care is right for you, go ahead and book an appointment by clicking the link in the video description.